Okay. This is down.
Yeah,
Ma snap.
No, snap.
No, let's go. Obudu Katu.
I don't snap. I don't snap.
Snap it down. See the deep down view.
This is the down view.
Canopy walkway.
Canopy walkway. And this is Lawrence and down.
Yeah. We're enjoying ourselves in Obudu Katu Ranch. Man, Obudu Katu Ranch is a place where to be, man.
Instagram.
Cool. Do it at the back.
Instagram. That is Copper A. Coming from the back.
Enjoy the natural view.
Andrew is finding difficult to walk because of his
See, show you the smart things. Smart now.
This place, they're very cold, man. Obudu Katu Ranch. This is where you are supposed to be with your family, your friends. Come and relax, enjoy the nature. This is Canopy Walkway. You are moving as if you are going to fall down, but you are not going to fall down. You know what? These things are very strong. I love Obudu Katu Ranch, man.
See there too. You see them.
Wow. Someone there is
Wait,
scared. That guy, he doesn't want to climb.
No, we are coming for you guys.
Oh yeah, now let's go.
They are scared.
They don't want to go. Oh, it's sweet.
Come on, let's do it. This cow.
This is okay.
Andrew is scared.
Andrew is scared. Oh, over the Katu Ranch. Yeah. Canopy Walkway. It's sweet. Can you hear that? That's a monkey that is moving, man. See it there? Oh,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
cool, man.
There is a monkey.
Look at the trees. Oh, I love this place, man. Oh, I feel like jumping. Oh,
No shampoo. Not down though.
I love this place, man. Katu Ranch.
We might give you one shot here. Just the. I'll give you close one. Okay. That's nice.
Let's go. Where's the camera up?
Okay.
Please speak. Yeah, hold this place. Come this side.
Oh, the thing does stop. Oh.